Beyond the Scrubs.
Buhay, buhay, buhay!
Hello, hello! How's everyone doing? Magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi. My name is Gina. I am a registered nurse working in the ER. I still work full-time. And of course, a proud digital business owner.
Yes, and I am Zapra. I am also a full-time nurse working in the ER, like Sis Gina out here, Coach Gina. And I am actually a mom of 5 beautiful girls, right, together with my husband. And yes, and I am also a proud digital business owner.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ayan. And we are back again beyond the scrubs. My name is Julie Ann. And like these two ladies up here, I'm also working as a full-time nurse and doing this business on the side. So I'm a proud business owner and a mentor. And yes, we have a guest. Go ahead to our guest.
All right, guys, you may introduce yourself.
You are live in BTS again. Hello! Buhay! Hindi ko maano yun. Buhay! Aba, napag-guest ako dito sa BTS with these 3 ladies, right? So, like what I'm saying, a new day, a new blessing because God is good! And God is good!
All the time!
All the time.
God
is good. Yes. Ayan.
Akala ko,
Another episode
didiretsuhin niya ng
of
ano eh.
Huh?
I thought he's not gonna show his face anymore.
I know. I thought it's gonna be
faceless.
faceless.
Let our guest guess.
Yes. So kasi ang
Yes.
daming mga questions, di ba? Daming mga questions sa ating mga business. And for today's episode, we will gonna be talking about or answering those queries or questions, di ba, mga kapatid?
Yes. Marami kasing queries, marami nga questions, a lot of questions about our digital business. So, tutulungan namin kayo sa pamamagitan ng live na ito to kind of answer some of your questions. That way you'll understand more ano nga ba itong ginagawa namin sa aming digital business.
Yes.
Yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, meron kaming guest dito, si Ken.
Yes,
He's
yes.
a dadpreneur. And gines namin siya kasi he's had multiple past experiences about, different kind of side hustles, businesses in the past. And that way makita nyo kung bakit, what's the reason why he stick into this online business na meron siya ngayon. Yeah?
Nice. Introduce
Yes.
yung sarili niya.
Oh, yeah. You haven't introduced yourself yet.
Yes. Again. This is Ken, a husband of Zap there. All the way Zap there.
Up
Yeah,
there.
and this is Ken again, right? A CEO and a full-time stay-at-home dad with 5 beautiful kids.
Sana eh. Hey, I just met you. Here's my
Ayun.
dog.
Di ba? Kaya, wag nang patumpit-pip.
Yes.
Ano ba yun?
Okay. Meron tayong unang question kasi
Yeah,
marami nagtataka, with all our posts on our social medias. What exactly do we do in our digital business?
Oh, what exactly daw? Sino magsasagot? Ay, ako. Sorry. So, what exactly do we do in our digital business? If you guys are following us in Facebook, YouTube, TikToks, and everything, we've been doing some posting, attracting you guys, right? So, mainly, yun lang talaga yung pinaka-job namin dito is just sharing our lifestyle, the time freedom that we are experiencing it, right? If you guys are not following us yet, just go to our Facebook page, John Kenneth or Zapra, Jeans de la Cruz or Julie Ann or Lian Abad. You could see there or some of our business partners as well. They've been doing some posting their lifestyle, di ba? Saan ka pa? Ano pa yung gusto mong what are yun yung pinaka-easy job mo na lang. You
Yeah.
mainly attract people going to your website and by there putting their name and email and then simply guiding them what's gonna be the next one, right? Di ba?
Yes.
Unlike with our other side hustles, oh wow, it's gonna be a lot of your time, a lot of your effort, a lot of manual labor.
That's true.
yes.
I think may dadagdag si Coach Gina pa dyan. Pero, yeah.
Yes, well, what exactly do we do? Sinabi nga ni Ken, we do attraction marketing, but this is basically an affiliate marketing type of business. We are affiliated with ang tagal na, 5 decades of a business, of a company na very stable siya. Diyan kami affiliated. And it's a high ticket type of business. And that's why we are here, diba? Gusto namin work smarter, not harder. And we have different types of how we market our business, this affiliate marketing business. And we do it through attraction marketing, kagaya ng nabanggit ni Kenneth. Yan. Piggyback pa yan ni Zapra at saka ni Jao on what we do. Diba, Jao? Tsaka Zap. What else can you add to that?
Yeah. Pag sinasabing digital online business, it's you're earning online, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, mas madali siya because you don't have a physical store to go to. Wala kang employees, no inventories. So, it's much more easier. So, like what Coach Gina said, work smarter, not harder. And on this digital online business, we teach you the right system, and the right platform. So, yun nga, mainly the idea is to work smarter, not harder. Go ahead, Zap.
Parang nasabi nyo na lahat eh. Pero, di ba? I mean, we're in the digital world now, right? So, talagang, all business, you could name all businesses out there, meron na silang version of parang may digital version na sila nung nila, business, right?
Businesses, yes.
Business nila. But still more on like it's like meron silang yung website nila, it's a store.
Yeah.
Pero in our case though, we do the attraction marketing na nabanggit nga ng asawa ko, si Mr. Ken there. Na attraction marketing na kasi we just we're not really we're not selling any any product out here, but we're showcasing to you that with this business that we have, nakakuha kami ng time freedom. We're able to, like for us, for example, for us, sa amin ni Kenneth specifically, we show to people that because of this business, we're now able to spend more quality time with our family. And so we'll able to attract people and ask people for people to ask us about what this business is all about, and we just direct them to the our website, and they'll get to learn everything about the business. So, parang we attract them and then we offer them this business opportunity, and that's it. Parang yun lang yung pinaka mo, parang walang I look at it, hindi mahirap gawin, kasi We don't even have to do a lot of things. We're just doing so, especially nowadays, or tayo na lang sabihin mo mga Pilipino, ang daming Pilipino na nasa social media, right? They're all mostly mga vloggers, sabi na nga nila eh, kasi they like to post, they like to do short videos of either they're dancing, they're doing short skits and everything. Parang halos I don't know siguro bakit ba't kaya mga raming Pilipino gumagawa na. I don't know, what do you guys think? It could be, it's just sa atin sometimes we just do it just for humor, for we just want to, kasi when we post something we want to para paligayahin hindi lang ang sarili natin but paligayahin ng most people, because we're like para kang actor diyan, di ba? So we use our social media, we show to people, and so ganun, kung ganun rin lang nagagawa mo na yun sa social media, this type of business is so easy for you to do. Kasi you're pretty much gonna do the same thing, but pretty much just add a little bit about and talk a little bit about our business. And that's it. You know, you just tell them that there's this business that can offer you, the possibility of you having at that time freedom and financial freedom, na hinahanap for sure naman ng na marami may for sure may gusto, or maraming tao ang may gusto. So yun.
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, we can just add something as we go along the way. Kasi may questions. So second question, go ahead, Zap, for the second question.
Yes. So who is this business for, and is it a good fit for you?
Yan yung tanong ng karamihan eh.
Yes. Sagot na si Mr. Ken.
Is it
Yeah,
good?
that's right.
Is it a
This
good
business
fit for you?
It is good fit for you. It is
Kailangan mo ng
very,
extra large eh.
Yeah. Yeah, name it. Mapa small, medium, large, XL. It will really fit you. Like what you said, introduction namin with my wife, full-time husband. But the thing is, my plate is full. We have 5 kids. Kids are going to school. Prepare them going to school, dropping them off, picking them up. Right? It's really, really good fit for me because why? It doesn't compromise at all. You simply have your phone and a Wi-Fi access, right? Or a data. You could do your business right away. Or sometimes if you could see us, follow us on Facebook, we've been sharing you when I drop off my kids, sharing my lifestyle, those bonding that we could share, even with my wife, right? Kahit gano'ng ka-busy pa si Mrs. or gano'ng ka-busy. I know, a lot of people are busy this and busy that. But the thing is, the flexibility that it could give you, it will give you more. Hindi siya yung very broad lang. Wide yung ino-offer nitong business na to. So, not only with those checks na natatanggap namin, those are just only bonuses. But those intangible items that you could get, what? Quality time with your family. Time freedom, you, husband and wife, or with your kids, right? And the bonding time sa inyong mag-asawa and with the kids also, because they join us with the business. It became our family business. The kids are loving it as well. Nakikita mo dyan, minsan tulog yung mga bata, yung isang third child namin, minsan sasabi niya, buhay, gaganon na lang, di ba? Nananaginip na rin.
May second question ako kay Ken.
Yeah.
Sa busy mong yan, sabi nila, you have a full plate already.
Yeah.
Then how come, or how do you do your business?
Because why? We have that automated system that it could do for me. So I'm not the one who's manning the business. So bali ako na lang yung simple click of the button, yung parang example with Coach Mentor Jao, in example niya with the washing machine. It's a digital one, right? So us simply putting our dirty clothes there by simply putting the button, and then yung machine na yung mag-work nung mag-wash ng clothes, right? Just like with us as well. Na meron tong automated system, he's the one who's doing all those follow-ups, updates, he's the one who's doing the bagging and everything, he's the one who's doing the selling, Di ba, saan ka pa, ano pang gugustuhin mo doon? Ang hindi mo gugustuhin, right? Dapat,
Nagda-date pa ba kayo ni Zap?
oh yes, pretty much we are dating.
The more actually
The more
parang
you can
this
date,
business. No,
Yeah.
truly, yeah. Truly.
Oh, saan ka pa, di ba? With that automated system that we have, kami lang ang meron noon, di ba? And
Mas
yun ang,
mas maraming date.
yun ang
Mas
gusto mo.
maraming date.
Yeah, yun ang gusto mo, di ba? A business that is working for you. Not you working for that business, opening your store daily, checking inventory and everything. Been there, been that.
Ay,
already.
yes.
Kami ni Miss
True. Mhm.
been there, been that. Knocking on doors,
Mhm.
talking to people, talking to friends, and each and every one. Di ba? Nakakapagod na yun. It's very tiring. So, in this digital business, it make it, hindi natin sabing easy, simple, the right word. It make it simple. Di ba?
Yeah.
So,
At
sana,
saka also putting time to do yung mga other side hustles namin dyan, mga traditional other side hustles there. You have to like, allocate a certain time where you can do that business in order to do it. So that tells you, for especially for me na full-time pa rin sa, full-time nurse, the only day off I have to do yung side hustle pa. So instead of me resting or spending time with Mike, especially night shift naman, hindi ko
yes.
sila nakikita when they're awake, I'm asleep, right? So talaga really not spending time, with them. So yun, nakukuha pa yung time. So it's really, parang do I really want that type of business where, pagod ka, to a point na, it's really gonna cause, some naapektuhan yung relationship, not only with our kids, with us, between us
Yeah.
too, right?
It always taking out of time.
Pero
Yes.
yung digital business, ayun nga. So why is it a good fit for you? Nako, yun din iniisip ko before when I saw this business, I'm like, no, I'm too busy for that kind of business. Or parang yung bang iniisip ko rin, I'm not always on my social media. I only use my social media like example for Facebook just to share photos to my fellow relatives in the Philippines, and that's it. I don't use it as much. But I do look at my Facebook a lot. Right? I watch other people. So if I have time to do that, to scroll,
Yeah.
bakit wala
Bakit ka
akong time to do
nagbabrowse,
this?
right?
Sabi ko rin, nung napunta na yung question sa akin na, yun nga, but you have time to do it, why can't you do this one when you can just quickly post something, yung magpo-post naman depende naman sa posting mo dyan. Meron naman yung simpleng posting lang naman, you're still doing this business. So sabi ko, nga no, why can't I do it? And then, yun nga, I don't have to use extra time. I mean, I can do it while I'm just quickly resting. Yung I don't have pretty much I don't have to spend a lot of time just to do this particular business. Kaya talagang yung sabihin mong kung busy ka, nako, the more that you want this kind of business. Kasi first off, kung ikaw na employee ka, napapagod ka na sa trabaho, at gusto mong, syempre, sino bang hindi gustong yumaman din, right? Gusto ng extra income. Hindi po pagdo-double job ang solusyon. Kasi mapapatay, sorry po, pero forgive me for saying this, but then parang magkakasakit ka sa ganun. Pag gagawin mo yung mag-double, triple jobs ka, that's gonna cost your health, right? So that's not a wise solution. And tapos sabihin mo, bakit yung mga mayaman na gano'n? Anong meron sa mga mayaman? May business sila. Then why don't you try to go and pasukin natin yung mundo nila at mag-business din tayo. And this particular business is actually, I would say, so far sa experience namin ng asawa ko, this is so far the best one that we had. We've been in, the longest. At the same time, it checked all the box that we are looking for. Kasi yun nga, we don't have to compromise time with our family. In fact, we spend more time with them by doing this business. Kasi, yung magpo-post ka na kasama yung family mo, you're already doing the business. Di nag-enjoy na kayo, nagagawa mo pa yung business mo at the same time. Ayun.
Yeah. Any
Sorry.
final
Haba.
Jeans?
Well, who is this business for? This is for busy people like us.
Yeah.
Na? Kasi if you want to have a business at the same time, of course, hindi naman po pwede kasi naitigil mo na yung full-time job mo, di ba? You have to fund your business until it becomes na babalik ta rin na niya. But while you're working as a full-time employee or like Ken is a busy dad, then you want to have this kind of business kasi nagagawa mo siya, nag-grow mo ang business mo while you are busy. So, hindi sayang yung time mo.
Right.
And is it a good fit for you? It's a good fit for me kasi when I started this business, I was working in 2 different hospitals, ER, and that's a BC. The other one was 12 hours. So, nakaya ko yun dahil sa business na ito. Kung ibang business, hindi ko alam kung nakaya ko yun. Yeah. Yan.
Yes. O, di ba? So, let's go ahead with the third question. Aba, nasagutan nila lahat eh. Kaya, wala na. Yung third question is, how do we earn income online? And can you do it too? Ito na eh. Speaking of money na to, and the dollar sign, and ano pa. So how do we earn income online? Or how do we earn in this digital business that we are offering?
Well, unang-una, nabanggit ko na kanina, this is an affiliate marketing type of business. Okay?
Yes.
When you kagaya nyo ako, initially I didn't have any experience. I didn't even know what affiliate marketing, ang meaning niyan nung when I first started. Pero ibig sabihin is you are affiliated to this company at yung company will compensate you depende sa kung paano mo gawin yung business mo. So, hindi to, pero unlike the other type of side hustles there na I post this, buy na this type of products, nakita nyo ba, I don't post like that. And that's not what I do. Diba? But I still make money because I am affiliated to this 50-year-old company. And kapag kayo'y nakapag-start, once you become an affiliate of that 50-year-old company, meron ka ng access sa kanila. At kapag na-meet mo yung criteria for you to earn online, of course, tuturuan namin kayo dyan. I can't divulge everything in here, of course. But, hindi dahil nagtatago ako, but I want you to see first kung ano yung mga pre-informations about that. Kasi that way you'll understand better. But that's how we make money actually. It's how we make money, and it's a good money kasi it's a high ticket affiliate marketing business.
Yeah.
Hindi kayo parang nagbibenta ng kape. I'm just sorry, I have to give an example like para kumita ka ng malaki, that's just an example. You have to sell hundreds of those products before you earn what I earn in one.
Yeah.
Buwan. That's the difference. Then that's how we earn. That's how we make money. Yan.
Okay. For me, actually, there's an offer na lumapit sa akin, and I check it out. Sabi ko, okay, there's a product, so it's a business. It's a legitimate business. This is not our digital business, what I'm talking about. But yung tulad na lang ng Melaleuca.
Yeah.
Diba? Tulad na lang Melaleuca. I'm a Melaleuca, nag-join ako ng Melaleuca. And from there's a monthly. You have to buy something monthly to continue your business. And yung earnings doon is cents lang. And from the year, nag-join na ako ng 1 year, and I'm spending how much every month? Like $70, $80 a month just for the same products that I'm buying, that I'm getting. And you cannot continue with your business without buying something with that Melaleuca. And sa isang taon na yon, ilan lang yung naipon ko. When I discontinued, when I canceled it, it's only $20. See?
That's a small ticket item.
Like,
Multi-ticket business.
Multi-ticket business. Yes, mura nga po sila. Pero yun nga, ang balik din po, konti lang din po.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sayang yung time.
So real talk. Oh, I dropped the name already.
No, because that's you're just saying.
That's real.
Yeah.
That's true. And
It's hard to explain kung hindi ka magsabi, di ba? Because you
Yeah.
don't have any comparison at all. Parang,
yes. So
Yeah.
yun yung sinasabi ko. But here in our business, we will teach you, like we will show you all the strategies, the options, and like what our coach Gina said, that we are affiliated with in a high commission,
mhm.
high ticket, high commission industry.
Yeah.
And once you've learned the strategy or the options that you have, the possibilities or the opportunities is limitless. It's endless. So that is why we are keep sharing this to everyone. We know na medyo may pagkamahal nga, but yes, that's the reason why. Diba?
And it's,
Okay.
okay. Ano pang dagdag mo, our guest, Ken?
Pretty much you said it everything na eh. And it's just a matter of ito rin nakaganda, at least taking care of my kids. I'm earning income, right? Na I don't have to work a regular job, right?
Mhm.
At least I'm earning already doing my business, a CEO of my own business, di ba? And taking care of my kids as well at the same time. So
Let-
being an affiliate marketer, yun ang pinakamagandang gusto mo na you are into a business, because other business that we went to ni Mrs. We joined networking also, name it, Royal, ano pa yan, Uno or something. You have to. Oh, bakit? Disclaimer ba? No, I need to tell this one because siyempre sasabihin naman nila diyan sa live, ano yung mga side hustles na
Oo.
na
We've
pinasukan.
been there, we've done that, diba?
Been there,
Been there, done that.
And that,
Oh, di ba? And plus the structure, the compensation plan, the structure, it is way further than our digital business dun sa mga napasukan naming networking, MLM. Alam mo, at least with this with our digital business, hindi siya yung alam mo yung parang kung sino yung magandang position, siya yung maganda na yung seat. Para bang yung seating arrangement ba? Kung pag on top ka na, you are sitting pretty. But no, here in our digital business, it's the other way around. Who is working, he is the one who get compensated. And plus, there's a cutoff on that one. Hindi yung infinity and beyond na sinasabi nila na makakaano ka. Those are lies.
Yeah.
It's good in a networking company if you are the very first one on top. But if you are at the very bottom na, ay nako, talagang nandun ka na lang sa bottom.
Ito, hindi. This
Yes.
is different. Yep.
Different.
Diba? Real talk, diba, Gina? Like last year,
You want to know more? Go to our website and you will
Yes.
know everything.
Like last year, you joined the business first, right? 7 months before I joined, but I earned more than you. But this year,
last
Yeah.
year.
this year, Zapra is earning more than me. Oh,
It is.
Diba, ganun yung structure ng mga networking company. Like what just say, Ate Gina is the first one who joined this digital business.
And last year, Julianne made more than me.
Tignan mo yon, di ba?
yeah. And then this year, mababaliktad na. Zapra is the one. Zapra and Ken are the one who's earning right now.
That's just a proof.
Mm.
That's just a proof na dito sa business namin, hindi siya kagaya ng mga multi-level marketing dyan. Whoever comes first, whoever started first will get the most, right?
Yes.
Dito hindi. And yan ang gusto mo kasi you're not making it to other people, right?
Okay.
And
Yes.
we are
so
proud sa compensation plan namin because it is patented. Nobody can
Yeah.
copy or anything. It's patented.
Okay.
Ang gulo ni Kenneth.
Sorry.
Hindi pa ba akong mag-add?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, so let's say na lang. Let's say for someone who is looking at maybe starting a business for as an additional or a supplemental income in a month that will, supplemental income to help with their finances. Okay, so kung i-compare mo yung low ticket, high ticket. The low ticket, ilang beses, benta ka, right? And then like what Sis Jao had said out here, right? Na Mentor Jao had said na, yun nga, low konti lang yung commission mo, sa kanya nga $20 lang sabi niya. Ako cents lang din na 1 year na cents lang din.
I spent how many
we tried those kind of type of businesses out there, right? And so kung 1 month, siguro masaya ka na rin yung naka 3 digits ka. But with this business, nako, that 3 digits can be just 1 day. And then, yung 1 month mo, some people here, kami, nasa 4 digits kami in a month. And some would have the 5 digits in 1 month or 1 day pa nga nila. That's just how high ticket business is. And tingnan mo, ang difference is, let's say, yun nga, benta ka ilang beses. Ang dami mong hahanaping, ang dami mong kailangan gawing sale month compared to this one na high ticket where even just one sale in a month will be parang kapareho lang or more, actually more. Most of the time, it's more than what you can get from a small ticket item type of business. Kaya, parang no-brainer para sa akin yun. Gusto ko bang magpakahirap na ang hahanap ako ng marami. Nakakapagod pa ang pagbebenta. Especially in our case, na sabi ko nga, full-time kami, busy people kami. Do you think we have time to be selling? Diba? Nakakapagod na. Pagod na yung mga bibig namin, mga paa namin sa trabaho. Tapos magbebenta pa kami. So talagang yun, yung issue. Isa pa, another thing, for example, yung pag-embroidery and yung paggagawa ko, pag-printing ng mga t-shirts. Okay, so that type of business, every time I have orders, I have to spend money, right? To get product, yung mga materials ko. Tapos, babalik, magkano lang yung kinita ko. And to tell you right now, how many years have I been doing that? Hindi pa nga nakabalik, wala pang ROI until now. So, parang
ROI is return of investment, guys.
Yes, because I bought my machine to do my embroidery. Right? And then I'm just like I said, I'm a busy person, so I cannot really have a physical store or open parang store dyan for my embroidery. That requires a lot of money for sure, of course. That's out of my hindi ko kakayanin yon. So kaya sabi ko lang, small business lang, something side hustle nga lang. Diba, that I can do. So I bought my machine. So I can get some orders lang, mga small orders lang dyan. Pero yun nga, small orders nga, nakuha na yung time ko. Nag-spend ako ng money, magkano lang bumalik. Until now, ilang years ko na ginagawa, wala pang return of investment. So, yung sasabihin nyo na parang, kasi some people din, they join a business, yung parang immediate, gusto nila overnight success. No, that's not how business is. That's not how business is. Pero yun nga lang, you have to be smart on choosing what type of business you're going into because kapag maraming manual labor din, sana kung yun nga, wala kang trabahong iba, that you can really focus on that type of business, go ahead, do that. Pero may hangganan din yung yung labor na yun, napagod ka. Kung yun nga, yung dun sa mga traditional business, if it requires your labor, kapag tayo na mag-day off ka, wala ka ring business. But that's the beauty with this digital business because we have automation system. Even though you are on a day off, you're sleeping, it's still running in the background, right? So the business is still running for you. Ayun.
And we go back to what Warren Buffett said, if you can't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.
We don't want that. Yes.
We don't want that. So, yes, well, just go ahead.
Yes, number 4. Yeah. What tools or systems do we use to run our business?
What tools?
As evidenced by, di ba? nakita nyo naman, we always post sa aming social media, Facebook, pwede bang banggitin yun? Kasi,
Yeah.
doon
Yeah.
post.
Yeah.
Social media.
Facebook, TikTok, YouTube,
YouTube.
Right.
yeah,
Kanina pa ako nagpakita ng
Instagram.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ang mga Facebook, alam niyo naman na to siguro ang mga Reels, 'di ba? Instagram, may Reels. So you can even edit your videos there. You don't really need additional apps. But then there are other apps out there. Ang dami ng AI po. ng mga-
And then question, sasabihin nila, I cannot post daily. There's a lot of you could do. You could schedule it. You could
May scheduling na po ang Facebook.
Posting.
Yes.
So that in
Now-
that way, you have a posting on the morning, afternoon, evening. Diba?
Nowadays, may AI na rin po. Meron yung kung gusto mong talagang as in, wala ka na masyadong gagawin. Gusto mong yung AI ang gagawa sa'yo, magsasubscribe ka nga lang. But they will do it for you. But still, security ka pa rin.
Paano yung nahihiyang magsalita? Paano yung nahihiyang magpakita?
Okay lang
Oo.
yan. May faceless marketing tayo, guys.
Yeah.
Paano malalaman ng faceless marketing na sa training site namin? When you become a
Yes.
business owner, you will have access to learn that.
And plus, you are hitting two birds at the same time.
Right.
Bakit? Sa pagiging content creator mo. Diba? Lumalabas yung pagiging content creator mo. So, you will, like nowadays, si Meta nagpapasahod sa mga gumagawa ng mga original contents. And dyan, halos lahat kumikita ng mga tao ngayon. Diba?
Yep.
So, why not add another one? Kasi hindi naman natin masasabi na pag sumikat na yung reels mo or yung content mo, it will be there forever na sinasabi nila, di ba? May time din yan na mag-down. So, why not put another way of,
Yeah.
like a plan B to make it more stabilized, di ba?
Hindi mo rin kailangan na baka naman natatakot kayo. Hindi ako marunong maggawa ng magagandang post. You don't have to.
Yeah.
Basta galing sa puso mo na pinopromote mo yung business mo, that's all you need. Diba? Hindi mo kailangang mag-live ng ganito kung hindi mo kaya kasi hindi rin namin ginagawa ito nung bago kami. We just learn it over time. And
Hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Okay lang yan, kaya nga Tagalog kami ngayon, di ba? Ako din naman, di rin ako ganun kagaling mag-English kasi hindi ito ang first language namin. But kaya-kaya mo yang i-run ang business mo. Those are not excuses, guys. Ay, nako. And if you really want to mag-succeed sa buhay, may mangyari ba in the future? After 5 years na lang isipin nyo. After isipin mo 5 years from now, do you want to stay where you are right now? Or do you want to have time freedom na lang eh? Kasi yung financial freedom, you can always work and earn money. But, oo nga may money ka, wala kang time freedom, you can even go on vacation for 2 months. And that's what, we're looking forward to. And this business can give you that. 5 years from now, isipin mo na lang, 5 years, kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Kapag ka na.
Dilak.
Ay, mabalinlat ka. Diba? Mabalinlat ka.
Yeah, we're just showing you guys how you can run your business with all different, kasi ito po talaga is global yung business namin. So, it has a lot of offices and locations. Kaya wala po talagang problema. Training site namin, there is a caption already. So, you can do your business in any languages na ngayon. So, ang dami na. And umaabot na kami until Ilocano, Bisaya. Yan, meron na po. Yes. Gandahan.
Ano pang excuse?
Excuse na lang. Excuse na lang kung talagang ayaw nilang bago yung buhay nila sa mga susunod na 5 taon. Sayang naman. Nangihinayang kami para sa inyo.
So yes, we do leverage the use of social media and any kind of social media. Yeah.
Yan.
Next question.
So let's go. Next
question. How much time do we actually spend working each day? Oh, yeah.
Ayun,
depende. Depende yan. Di ba? Depende yan. 1 hour. Depende sa kung anong gusto mo. Kung 1 oras lang kaya mo ngayon, di 1 oras lang.
Wala,
2
whole day.
oras. 3.
Whole day.
Depende yan.
It's all depends.
It depends.
Awan
Hindi
oras ko, nahuli naman kitang nag-post sa Facebook.
I know, right? Why not make use of that?
Awan oras ko, nakapamasyal naman siya. O, di ba?
Sabi niya, wala
Aray.
akong pang-start, wala akong pang-puhunan, pero nakapamasyal naman, ang mahal pa nung ginastos. Isa, start ka ng business mo, tax write-off.
Wag
Yes.
ka naman ganyan, Coach Gina.
Aray, real talk lang yun.
Real talk lang.
Hinihingaan ko lang sila ba na, bakit hindi nila ba
We
i-widen
listen,
yung kanilang,
we don't judge po tong segment.
possibilities. Ha?
We listen, we don't judge ba?
Yes, we listen but we don't judge,
But we don't
guys.
judge, yes.
Uh-huh. Yes.
So,
Pero yun, si Kenneth nga, di ba? Paano? Habang nagluluto,
Yeah, time management lang. While you're cooking, naggaganyan ako. While pinapalambot mo yung meat and everything, then go to your website. Go to your phone. And do your
Answering
business.
inquiries. Yeah, answering
Post it.
inquiries.
and like Kuya Coach says, ito, totoo, real talk.
Yeah.
Lagi nila sinasabi, di ba? Lagi naman, kapag nakaupo tayo, umiihi or nag-number sa hawak natin yung phone natin, nagaganon.
Yes. Totoo yan.
gumawa nun, so may time kang gumawa nito.
Yes, so we
Yes.
really can find time talaga.
That's not even an excuse kung may time ka. Diba? Kasi you can always sacrifice yung mga bagay na hindi naman nakakapag-produce ng income-producing activity sa buhay mo. Sacrifice that for now.
Yes.
Mhm.
And this kind of business, you can do your business anytime, anywhere. So,
Yes.
at saka kung kapag may nangyari talaga sa'yo na, no, you really cannot do your business or kahit na tinamad ka, okay lang. At least you can slow down. But don't ever quit. You can slow down. Yun. Slow down. Kasi lahat naman tayo may nangyayari sa atin. And sometimes we feel that too. We feel down. We feel bad. We feel lazy at times too, di ba? But
Yes.
still, the business is still there waiting for you and you can go.
But if you feel down, you feel lazy, you're still...
You're
You feel easy but they're looking at their phone.
Diba? So,
Diba?
it's
About your
it's a matter of-
business.
Pero kaya nga, actually, di ba, yung question na how much do you spend? Depende kasi kung anong klaseng post ang gagawin mo.
Yeah.
Meron
Yeah.
naman, kaya nga, may different types of postings dyan si Facebook, si Meta, tsaka
Mhm.
Instagram, di ba? Meron yung story, meron yung what's on your
Motivational.
mind, what's on your mind, picture lang,
Mm.
di ba? Short video, ganyan.
Mhm.
So, 'di ba, depende nga sa kung that time either lazy ka or wala kang masyadong time, ano lang naman yung magsulat ka ng konti, yun nga, yung what's on your mind, at i-share mo lang, that's still doing your business.
And then plus, Kwan, di ba? Namasyal tayo sa Hawaii. We went to Hawaii but we're doing our business.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Okay, let's go ahead to number 6. Zap.
Wow.
What kind of support and training do we offer new partners?
ay, all-out support.
Sobra.
Yeah, sobra na lang.
Ayun. New business partners lang ang nagkukulang kasi syempre hindi pa sila adjusted. Sabi nila, wala akong time. But kami, we make time for you guys. What kind of support? Paano gumawa ng reels na kung nandito ang aking mga angels, di ba? Paano gagawin ko sa business ko? Setting up your website, your training site, nandyan po kaming lahat.
Yeah. Nag-aampun
Yes.
pa ho kami.
Nandiyan kami, hindi ka namin kababayaan.
They said
Yes.
once you join the business, di ba, 90% has been done already.
Mhm.
And then with our group again, naging 5% because of our coach Nobilin did. But sa group din namin, we did some innovations that we did to help out with our new business owners. So naging 3% na lang. Ano pang gagawin mo? Spoon-fed na lang, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Kung pwede nga lang, inuyaan namin kayo, lunukin nyo na lang eh.
Yes. Yun nga. Even yun. And then plus we are here even if you let go, you get discouraged in anything, we are still here reaching our arms to you always.
Yes, guys.
At saka
Mapapaapa
lahat
yan.
po, our training site is video-based and it's all
Video-based.
recorded, so you can replay. Yeah. So talagang at your own pace talaga. Hindi
Yep.
talaga siya sagabal sa yung mga ginagawa sa pang-araw-araw. So you can
Yeah.
always go back anytime you want and you really
Yes.
like.
And then sa training site natin, it's pretty much updated every day. Kaya
Yes.
hindi napapaiwan.
Especially to those people na yung mahilig sa mga timing, 'di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
lahat naman tayo may mga ganyan na mga lalo na sa mga Pilipino may pag-uugali sa mga timing, right time, right So this is really based on your timing. Based on your time talaga. So nasa sayo lang talaga.
Nasa sa'yo lang yun.
What's being offered, yeah. Yep.
Yes.
Speaking of timing and anything you want to yung pag or rest or something, you could do it. You could, kung ano yung na-attain mo, na-achieve mo na goal, walang deranking or anything. Sa side hustles na na-put in namin ni Sap,
Oh yeah.
it's gonna be 3 months, 6 months. You need to reach this goal. You need to have this sales in order for you to rank. Once the day ng expiration, isa na lang. Magkukulang ka ng isa na lang, it will restart again. Kung hindi mo nakuha yung 1, it's just a matter of 1 point.
Yeah.
Hindi mo makuha, restart ka na naman. O di syempre, alam mo yun kaya sinasabi namin nga na been there, been that, nakakapagod, di ba? Na, saan ka pa? With our digital business, whatever you achieve, whatever you done, you stay there. No deranking, no restart at all, and no quota that we are na hinahabol.
Sabihin mo na parang never na madi-devalue yung mga paghihirap mo.
Pinaghirapan
Yes,
mo.
that's
Gawa mo, right?
right.
Kasi hindi ka madidirang. You just gonna progress lang talaga yung only way mo is way up, 'di ba? Dito sa business natin. Kaya yun ang maganda.
Ano ba sinasabi nila sa stocks, 'di ba? Sa stocks, yung meron yung iba variable went down pag hindi na reach, pero meron yung sa stocks na whatever kung ano yung bumagsak man ng economy
Index.
or anything, index, 'di ba?
Yeah.
It goes up, mayroon ka pa rin ako. Yun yung parang business namin na
May floor ka.
hindi siya babagsak.
Bababa.
Yeah.
Still yung way niya is going up.
Yes. Okay. May floor index. Ayun yung tawag.
Floor
Okay.
index. Yes.
Question number 7.
What
Okay.
results
Uh-huh.
have others achieved with this business? Naku, business model.
What
Naku,
results have
kaya
others?
nandito kami, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi,
What results have others achieved with this business model? So a lot of our business partners have already nag-quit na sila sa kanilang mga jobs as early, 'di ba? As 23 years old. That is very possible. Nung una parang imposible, but as I run my business or go on my business, nakikita ko nga na posible talaga. Kasi sa business model nila talagang kung gaano ka kasipag na magtrabaho at i-run ang business mo, talagang ma-achieve mo yung goal na yun. So it really depends on your output, kumbaga. So yeah, yun yung isang unang nakita ko na parang hindi ako naniniwala nung una. Parang napaka-imposible naman yan na mag-quit ka kagad as early as young as 23 years old. I think she started 19, di ba? 19 yata. Yeah, and then she quitted her job at the age of 23. So only how many years of how many years in the business and she was able to make that? It's because she worked her business hard. So yun.
It's very possible. Yep, it's very
Yeah.
possible as long as you work for it.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
mga business owner. Go
And
ahead.
yeah, achieved. Yung kay Coach Gina, ikaw na mag-share, Coach Jeans.
Yeah. Dati 2 trabaho ko, guys.
Yeah.
Ngayon nga, gusto ko nga mag-extra sana kasi para pang-ads ko sa pag-ads ko sa business ko. Natatamad na ako kasi isang taon na ako mahigit na hindi nagpa-part na walang extra shift, guys.
Mhm.
Nasarap naman ng may day off. Pag day off ko na lang kasi meron na akong hindi tayo pare-parehas ng journey, 'di ba? Yung iba, medyo mabagal, medyo mabilis yung iba. Pero ang business na ito, very possible na hindi mo kailangan ng antayin ang retirement age. Marami dito, bayad na ang kanilang bahay. Diba? Sa atin, inaantay natin 15, 20 years, 30 years before you pay off your mortgage. Sa mga business owners dito na who's been here for 6, 7, 8 years, 4 years, 5 years, bayad na nila ang kanilang mortgages. That's very, very possible.
Yes. Zap and Ken?
Ayun, yung na-achieve namin, yan, si Mrs. Hindi na siya stress out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no?
Yes! Without this digital business, ay, nako, pag
Paano mo nasabi?
Okay. No, okay. I
Bakit
need
nga
to,
ba? You
what?
tell
Okay,
me.
bakit nga ba?
You
Sige,
tell
I will tell you. I will tell you.
Oh, you tell us.
You tell me, bakit nga ba?
Hindi. So, para naman siguro sa mga viewers natin dyan who are maybe who can resonate with my situation. Kasi, so sa aming mag-asawa, I'm the main income earner, right? So, laging nasa isip ko yung about the finances. So, that's the reason why we do all those other side hustles before is because I always think about other ways where we can get some supplemental income. Kasi po, nasa paycheck to paycheck din po kami. Gaya ng ninyo siguro rin na ng mga nanonood dyan. Hindi lang po kayo nag-iisa. Kahit mga nurses po kami, we also experience that paycheck to paycheck then because we also have other, billionaire po kami, marami kaming bills. 'Di ba? May mortgage din kami. So, plus we have 5 kids. So, kaya nga sabi nila, natatawa na lang ako and I actually that's where I put na-share ko ang business doon sa mga katrabaho ko minsan kasi they ask me, how are you handling that? What? Really? 5 kids? And who's working? You're the only one working? Yes. It's possible. Why? How? What are you doing? Because I have a digital business. It's running in the background. Parang ganun, right? No, but then, truly, it's very different yung sinasabi ni Mr. ko nga na less stress na talaga ako because before, yun nga, dahil may mga side hustle kami, like I said, I have to make time to do those side hustles that I'm doing. Eh, syempre, nakakaya naman, I promise to a customer, I will do this, and hindi ko magagawa. So, talagang kailangan kong gawin. And sometimes talaga, kailangan ko hindi sometimes, a lot of times I need his help. I need my husband's help in doing this. Either pag kunyari, yun nga, nung time na nung meron yung nung syempre may malilit kaming bata, I cannot take care of the kids at all, even on my day off. And which is very sad. I'm a mom, but I cannot do those responsibilities, diba? Because I have this side hustle. And ito pa yung role ko, earner lang ba ako? No, I'm also a mom. So, di ba, yun yung parang hat na hindi ko nagagawa talaga is to be present with my family. Hindi ko nagagawa. You would think na, I was a military before, right? I'm a veteran now. But, all those different responsibilities before I was able to do. But then, hindi ko na ma-manage properly kasi yun nga, I can't even be there with my kids when they need me. So, yun yung, pero, again, sino ba ang importante? Ano ba ang importante? Di ba? Mas importante tayo sa family natin because we are irreplaceable, right? Compared sa trabaho natin. So, anyway, ayun. So, nung meron na tong business na to, actually, when we joined this business before we had our 5th child. And the first time talaga na sabi ko nga, nako, less stress, never kong inisip na or nag-worry na, especially when you're on maternity leave. I don't know how it is with other countries. They have better maternity leave, but here in the US, it's only depending 6 weeks to 8 weeks lang, ganyan. And then maganda na kung yung company mo will cover some of your, yung kung babayaran ka during the time that you're on maternity leave. But other companies, they don't. So in my case, I have to make sure na meron kaming income during the time that I'm on maternity leave or doing baby bonding. But this business has provided it. So, and actually even before pa dumating yon, I already felt, kasi we were already experiencing yung supplemental income, yung from this business before pa ako nag-mat leave. And what I like is actually God, and I would this is a true story po. God had used this business to bless us, to provide yung financial needs namin nung time na hindi ako nagtatrabaho because I was on mat leave. And ito pa nga, wala nga akong PTO nung time na yon. Yung iba sabihin nila, Zap, ano saan ka kuha, 'di ba? Kailangan mo ng PTO in order to be able to have some money during kasi yun nga yung problema dito. I can extend as much as I want my maternity leave. I mean, not as much as I want, parang up to 6 months. But then kung wala kang PTO or paid time off, naipon na leave sa work, wala kang bayad. So ako ang income earner, so paano na kami, right? But because we have this business, yun, God had used this business to provide that supplemental income that we needed. Yung less stress ako kasi I don't have to, again, I don't have to compromise my time. I actually spending more time with my kids during that time, na to a point na parang ano nang gagawin natin, parang alam mo yung hindi na busy yung mind ko. I don't know, I think I look much younger.
Yeah, there's a lot of silent treatment nung wala pa sa digital business.
Silent treatment. Pero talaga lang, less stress po. Totoo po yun. Sa mga nakakilala sa akin, less stress. Yan po yung secret namin, is because this digital business is providing less stress to us.
Yes. Yes.
Having fun while earning, di ba?
Yeah, having fun lang po talaga.
Okay, so what makes our digital business different from other out there? Tama ba?
Mm.
Tama ba yun? Na-mention na ni Ken yan kanina eh. Di ba?
Yeah. So you just have to clarify.
Yeah.
More.
So yes, there's a lot of...
Isa-isahin mo dati.
Kasi lahat na digital ngayon eh. Everything
Yes.
turning to
Everything
digital.
is digital,
Maraming mga stores ang nagsasara. It's because they're doing it digital now. And yes, go ahead, Ken.
Yes, there's a lot of digital business there that you could name it, that you could search it, that you could browsing or napapadan sa newsfeed nyo. But the thing is, kagandahan with our digital business na the legitimacy is very na yan. Once you join us, you will sign up
No
a W9.
questions.
No question asked on that one. Because once you join, you will fill up a W9. Other digital business there that they offer in anything is just only a promise or anything, or a promise of 1099. But us, we have our 1099 already at the end of the year. Diba? And because of that, we are tax registered. So, be careful lang sa mga ibang nag-offer dyan, digital. Oh, digital kami. We could do is this and that. Sabi nilang ganyan. But you have to be careful. You have to do your due diligence, like what we did also, majority of us, of our business partners as well, that they did, na before jumping onto this business is, they do their homework. Ganun din sana ang gawin nyo before jumping or making a decision na going to a business. I tell you, with the difference na talaga with our digital business, we are tax registered to IRS because you are filling out a W9 right away. Hindi kagaya ng other digital business dyan na sinasabi nila dyan. And we are enjoying it, yung pagta-tax write-off. Here in the US, we enjoy tax write-off, di ba? Lalong-lalo na, this BTS, these three ladies, nurses, before, they've been paying taxes. Sa amin naman, nakaka-refund kami, but the thing is, hindi yung parang wow factor na refund. Nakakaano kami with the kids siguro, yung mga credits ng kids. But with our digital business, once we join our digital business, not pay at Coach G been paying her taxes now, not hindi siya nagpe-pay ng taxes, bagkos nakaka-refund na siya. Wow refund, di ba? 5-figure refund. Ganun din sa Ate Jau, been paying taxes too. Now nakaka-refund kami din, nakaka-refund in the end, but it's a big wow to us. 2 years in a row, ganun yung refund namin. Di ba? Saan ka pa? Yun ang big difference nun. And then some other digital business na sinasabi nila dyan, oh, you can tax write it off dito, global din kami and everything. But you have to very check nyo na mabuti. And especially with the products, sabi nila, it's okay, but here in the US, there's a lot of na hindi approved ng FDA. So you have to very check on it. As we are proud, if you are curious about it, go to our website and you will know our products and it is an FDA approved, not unlike sa mga other products dyan
Mhm.
na pumapasok dito sa US. So be careful lang. Be
So
careful.
what are those ito yung isang tanong ko. How will you say na yung legit din yung ano mo, yung business mo? First of all, you have to check your product. You have to see if yung sabi ni Ken na FDA approved ba or is it approved here in the US so that you can tax write it off, 'di ba? Yun yung isa na ano, aside from the W9 form that we are filling up, of course, kasi may mga small businesses dyan na they don't fill up that W9 form. And the good thing about in our business is we invest and we will fill up that W9 form right away. Diba? May madadagdag ka dun, Zap?
Actually, yung kasi sa ibang mga digital marketing dyan, may dropshipping sila.
Oh yeah, that's
Us, we
one
don't
thing
have
too.
that. We don't have to worry about that. Again,
Inventory, di ba?
yes, we don't have inventory of products.
Mhm.
There, you have to have inventory of products, and
Mhm.
again, you'll be the one selling. You do the inventory, you do the drop shipping, you do the marketing. Parang wow naman, napagod na ako dyan. Sinasabi ko pala napagod na ako.
Yeah. That's what ito yung naka-attract sa akin din yung parang yung parang kay Gina na no selling involved dito, sabi niya gano'n. Well, hindi maganda 'yon kasi hindi ko kailangang ayoko yung nagsasabi ka ng product tapos nag-e-explain ka kung ano yung product, 'di ba? Ako rin
Yes.
mahina ako sa ganyan yung pag-explain. Pag Marites, pwede pa ako.
At saka
Kasi
yung post mo sa Facebook mo yung mga
is the one.
products mo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Marites na lang tayo.
We did that kind of business ako kasi sa ako naman nga go-getter ako. Sabi ko nga I always have that motto na if others can, why can't I, right? If I see someone, they're becoming successful by doing this, okay, I will try to follow what they're doing, right? Pero yun nga talaga yung parang yung pag-represent ng business. Wow, yung parang mag-internalize ka muna, yung i-prepare yourself and you have to learn about you have to prepare everything kasi nga parang paano kung may na-miss kang information, and yung mga ganun na so parang nakakapagod. You have to again, it takes time nga na naman away from kailangan extra time na naman yan na gagawin mo para to do that for your business. So when this was presented na, oh, I don't have to do that. Others there's we have that system that will take care of that. Then saan ka pa, 'di ba? No brainer there.
Yeah.
You know what I like here too? Nakakaiba. 'Di ba? Kasi 'di ba, when other businesses out there, they have to send you the money and you get the money from the other people. Ayoko pa. And then 'di ba, para nangungulekta ka ng pera from the other people. Dito,
Yeah.
wala po kaming kinukuha. We don't get any single centavo from other people. Kung meron man kayong binabayaran sa mga nagbayad na ng one-time fee na fully refundable, yan po, hindi po yan napupunta sa amin.
Yes.
Yung napupunta yan sa provider ng aming online system. At kapag kayo decide na hindi para sa inyo yon, that will be refunded back to you. Pero wala kaming single centavo na pumupunta sa bulsa namin directly from you, from other people. And that's what I like.
Sinong nagpapasahod sa'yo?
Well, it's the affiliate company, yung affiliated company namin na who's been here for 51 years na in June.
Yes.
Well, ang nagbibigay sa akin, kukompensate niya ako base sa kung gaano ko tinatrabaho ang business.
Yun pang isang yun pang pinagkaiba. With our digital business, yearly sila nagpapa-convention. Other ganyan na company, very seldom. Seldom sila for convention and anything. That tells you that they are there. it is very legit kasi nandyan sila yearly and then it's global, di ba?
Mhm.
Ilan ba? 43
43 countries, locations in 26
location, 26
countries.
countries.
Yes.
Tignan mo yan. Again, we emphasize that we don't sell. We don't sell because the automated system is the one who's doing the selling. That's why we keep on telling, we don't sell. Hindi kami yung magsisell. Hindi ikaw yung magsisell. It is
No
the-
deranking, no sales quotas. Ano pa ba
Mm.
yung mga sinabi mo kanina? Diba?
And then plus, yun pa yung nagustuhan ko dito is the legacy that you could pass on to your kids. Yung generational wealth. Whatever rank that you have, hindi magre-restart yung mga kids mo.
Yeah.
And then, di ba? Para ka magpe-pension, yung fixed monthly income.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why don't you, itong digital business lang ang meron yun, yung fixed monthly income. Once you have that rank, you could pass it on to your kids. Diba? That's why we are here paving the way with our family, with our kids, the generational wealth that we could leave on them. So sila na lang mag-continue, di ba?
Yeah.
That's what I love to, right? We've been nurses here for so long, but doon sa, let's say, sabi mo sa akin 20, di ba? Sa 20 years na yon, kung sana 20 years ago nandito na ako sa business na ito, retired na ako ngayon. That's why I'm so excited na makita yung sarili ko 5, 6, 7 years from now dito sa business na ito.
Very possible.
I'm pretty
very
sure.
possible.
Yep, I'm pretty sure I will have a fixed income kumpara lang kung mag-nurse lang ako. Wala, hindi ko ma-achieve yun. Yes, hindi ko ma-achieve yun.
Yeah, just like from the company that I left 3 years ago. I worked there for 7-8 years, and then may na-receive akong mail, and I will be getting a pension like 1,000, less than 1,100 or 1,200, or imagine. And then that time comes na magre-retire, makukuha ko lang yun at the age of my retirement, like 60 ba, 65. And then at that time, ano na yung inflation rate ng pamumuhay that time, di ba? So
parang 100 na lang yun.
so I'm just telling you the reality, guys. I'm just sharing you the comparison kung bakit nga ba, di ba?
And plus, this is not an overnight success.
Yeah.
Ate Gina bin condemn yung mga eyebags niyan, di ba? You have to work on it. We
But
have
at
to work on it. So that
But at least
get that goals.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sa pyramid scheme, nakikita ka na lang.
Yeah. Okay, so 9. Malapit na tayo matapos.
1 hour and 7 minutes. Okay.
Is experience needed or required to start, or can beginners succeed to in this business?
Yes. 101%. You don't need experience. Hindi mo kailangan maging tech savvy. Hindi nga ako marunong mga Zoom na yan nung una, di ba?
Ako rin.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam mag-live sa Facebook, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan, wala din naman akong experience sa digital marketing. Ano nga ba yung digital marketing na yan, di ba?
Business background.
Ito pagla-live, di ba? Lahat tayo, parang urong-sulog sa pagla-live na yan. No?
Yeah.
Yes, tayo.
As long as you are very willing to learn and very coachable, then you
Trainable. Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
And if you could see in our community, every walk of life. So everyone is welcome here. Stay at home dad, stay at home mom, nurse, doctor,
we have retirees,
militaries, detective.
Not even dependent of yung
detective, doctor,
natapos mo kahit wala ka pong
retiree,
yeah, or you can do this business. Yes,
you don't need a degree to do this business.
Yes. So just to read all these comments na nandito, and si Miss Alma Motameri, grabe ka active, uy.
Right. Hello.
Si Ate Eden.
Hello, Ate Eden.
Hello.
Aba?
Go Little Bro. Dito, Pet.
Bye. Hi,
Ate
Sis
Expedita.
Expedita. Hi, Gabs at Jaja.
Oha.
And si Sir pala ang guest of honor. Yes. Sir. Hi, Cha.
So yun. So may mga ano ba? May mga nakalimutan ba tayong mga dagdag? Baka may dadagdag pa kayo before we're gonna go ahead and show them what's the step by step on how to join our business.
I guess I just want to we inform those people na siguro yung lalo na sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang na papasok sa business, be very careful. Do all your research. Study about the business being offered to you. Hindi lang yung basta madalas may mga ako rin naman, as I said yes before, because someone I know had joined the business, and parang okay, sige, i-try ko lang yung mga ganun. But then iba kasi kung yung kunyari, syempre if you're gonna put money there, you're gonna be investing money there. So do your due diligence. Do your everything, research mo patungkol dun sa business before mo pasukin, para hindi ka parang din sa yung ito rin, so parang sa pagpasok ng military, kasi nga sinasabi ko to that I was like this also before when I joined before in the military. I said, ano ba yun, parang sabi namin yung recruiter, they lied to us or na-deceive kami, blah blah blah. No, not really. It's more of actually we didn't do our research, and we didn't ask questions. Para na lang kami oo na lang ng oo sa sinasabi nila. So it's not really their fault na hindi nila nasabi lahat na mga information. It's because we didn't also ask. Diba? So kaya yun, mag-ask lang po kayo. Yun yung magaganda dito sa business namin. Just ask everything you can, you have in mind. We'll try to answer it, the best we can. Pero that's a good thing with our automation system nga, na once you go through the process, pretty much everything will be answered already. And transparent naman po kami. Once you get into our, mapapakita po namin lahat sa inyo.
Yeah. Tulad ni Coach Jean, silang beses kong nahuli yan na nag-research before she joined the business. Yeah. Pati sa work nag-research yan. Kaya ako nalalaman kasi yung iniwan yung computer, ako ang sumusunod, nakikita ko.
Mahirap ma-scam, guys.
Ma-scam po, opo. Kasi di ba hard-earned money po natin.
Hard-earned money natin yan.
Hard-earned money natin. So that's why we're also why are we showing our face to you? We don't want to scam you. Right?
Yes.
Ako nga pinaunang mag-join yan di ba?
Oo. At saka hindi ko talaga sila gusto. Ayoko kasi na mangi-scam ako din. Di ba? Ayoko noon.
Our detective is online. Hello, ladies and gents.
Ayan meron kaming detective.
Yes, there you go. Hanap kayo ng proof.
Coach Chads, diba? Kung scam lang ang iniisip nyo. This is not, guys. Can you imagine si Coach Chads dito na ilang taon na siya dito sa business, and she's a detective by profession. Kung questionably pa sa inyo yung legitimacy ng business namin, ewan ko na lang.
Financial crime detective po siya.
Yes.
Nasa scam dyan, especially sa digital. Diba? Yung mga, yan ang proof po.
Isa yan ang inspirasyon namin, si Coach Chads. Kaya
that is why you have to do your due diligence. Diba?
Oo.
So that is why ito na yon. Para gawin niyo yung due diligence niyo, start niyo nang gawin yung due diligence niyo. What's the first step to getting started with us?
Yes. Go to our first step, send us a message, or you can go to our websites there. Diba? Nakakita nyo dyan sa aming mga screen. You can go to our Facebook profiles na laging nandyan yung mga website namin. Safe po yan. Hindi po scam yan. Nandyan yung mukha namin. So, very, very safe po yan. Don't be afraid po na i-enter yung pangalan ng email nyo dyan. No commitment at all.
Right.
Okay? Yep. No commitment. No string attached. All information kasi pag lang kasi nag-enter kayo ng name nyo dyan is masasend sa inyo yung aming free information na siyang mag-i-explain sa inyo paano yung aming online business system. Paano gumagana yung why this business works for us even while we are asleep or while we are busy. Yan. So, yan ang first step, right? Ano pa? Next step.
Ay, first step lang, di ba?
Step na ba yun? Actually,
Right?
Step 2. Step 2.
After mo nag-register, panoorin nyo yung step 1.
Yes.
Yung register na yun.
Aha.
Panoorin nyo para malaman nyo kung anong gagawin nyo next. That's the step 2. Anong step 2, Mr. Ken?
You're muted,
Yeah.
Mr. Ken.
Step 2. Yung sabi nga ni Mrs., go and watch that free info session. It will show you the step 2, what to do. The step 2 is paying that one-time fee. Mind you, that one-time fee is a fully money-back guarantee, fully refundable fee within 30 days. But within that 30 days, we keep on telling you guys, the BTS keep on saying, do your due diligence within the 30 days. Investigate, look around with our community because those people are real people with real results as well.
Yes.
And by paying that one-time fee, you will know everything. The blueprint of our digital business.
Yes.
What we are talking about. Bakit sinasabi nyo, wala kayong sinasabi, binabanggit and everything. But sa mga posting nyo, here, this is why you pay that one-time fee. It's a money-back guarantee, you guys. Sinabi ko nga within 30 days. It will explain everything there to you. Kasi nga, hindi kami yung mag-i-explain. That's what the what we want in a business. Hindi kami yung mag-work. It's the ultimate system is the one working. You will know how this digital business is, the compensation, the company, the products are, and how simple is this digital business, right? And plus, we encourage you all within that 30 days, you pray about it in every big decisions that you make, in every investment that you make, right? Pray about it, and God will give you the wisdom. And a lot of us, by faith, taking that leap of faith, majority of us did as a business owner, diba? Have faith na. Yun. And step 3 is...
Step 3 is?
What?
No.
join the business! Or kung hindi, si Coach Chugs ang magiging detective ninyo.
Yes, that's right.
Detective niya kayo.
So, yeah, that is why you have an ample time to do your research, to learn more about this business. Enough na yun, di ba? And you have that 30 days, di ba?
Yeah, 30 days.
To see kung talagang itong business na ito totoo at legit sa inyo at saka kung fit sa inyo. And then if it is, pray for it. Nasabi ni Coach, ni Ken. Ni Kabsat Ken. Coach Ken. Malapit na yan.
And plus, if you are very skeptical with that one-time fee, refund right away.
Yeah.
Which majority of us did also.
To prove it na po pwede talaga siyang bumalik sa inyo. Refund.
Yes, refund right away.
Mayroon pa akong step 3 bago kayo maging business owner, mag-start kayo. Sit with coaching call. Upo kayo.
Sit with me.
Sit with me. Upo kayo sa akin. I will explain to you yung one-time fee ninyo. Huwag mag-alala kasi babalik pa rin sa inyo yan kahit uupo na kayo sa coaching call. So, upo kayo sa akin.
Coaching call for
Yung mga
more
questions
clarity.
kayo, yes. Pero panoorin nyo yung video kasi
Yes.
ang hirap naman din na hindi nyo pinanood. Panoorin nyo, upo kayo sa akin, usap tayo, and then you decide.
Yes.
Yes. Usap
You
tayo
tell-
with Coach. Usap tayo with Coach G for more information, for more clarification, or whatever question that you have. Coach G, usap tayo. Diba? Coaching
Yes.
call.
Bakit nga ba, Coach G?
Bakit nga ba? You tell me.
Bakit ka ba?
Kaya gusto namin yung business namin. So much
Pero
fun.
Pero yun naman talaga ang tanong, di ba? So, bakit
Yes.
nga ba? You tell me, we want to know more. What's your reason why? O, di ba? Diyan kami
Wow.
nagsisimula.
Yes.
Walang commitment dyan. Kahit magbayad kayo ng one-time
Yes.
fee. Ang one-time fee na yan ay parang 3 steak lang. fully refundable in 30 business days. Kahit umupo pa kayo ng coaching call sa akin. After nyo umupo, sabi mo, oh, this is not something for me then. I-initiate natin ng refund. Babalik doon, hindi babalik sa akin. Babalik doon sa pinanggalingan ng 3 steak na yan. Nalaman nyo kung anong business namin, na-inform kayo. Fully aware kayo anong ginagawa namin because we don't post it on social media. And walang nawala sa inyo, di ba?
And if you know someone who really needs it, you can share the business, di ba?
You can share the business at sila ang aasenso.
Yeah, at least nakatulong pa kayo na, huy,
Yes.
check mo to kasi I saw this 3 ladies who's talking about this business. Aba?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Aha.
yeah, there you go. So, thank you so much, guys, for listening. Any final words? May mga naisip ba kayo nakalimutan sabihin? Jan and Ken and Coach G?
Ano lang, huwag kayong mag-hesitate kasi parang natatakot sila kasi na pumunta sa website na amin na nakikita dyan. It's very safe po siya. Sabi nga ni Coach Chags, kung kami nanloloko at spam or scam yung websites namin na yan, siya mismo ang magde-detective sa amin.
That's right. That's right.
Guarantee yan, guys. It's very safe. Type in nyo yan, www.website namin at ilagay nyo ang name and email nyo para ma-send sa inyo ang libre o free information
About our business.
about our business.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yan. Thank you so much, guys, for having
Thank you.
a long talk about our
It's a long
business. Yeah.
Every 2 weeks po. Yeah, every 2 weeks we do our Beyond the Scrubs. Kaming mga nurses, ito na yung gagawin namin kasi we want you guys, especially those nurses na kagaya namin, to have more information na there's this napakagandang opportunity out there na hindi lang sa loob ng hospital pwedeng i-spend ang buhay natin until we retire.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, that's right.
And if you're hesitant to learn more about our business, you can just add us on Facebook to know us more on what we do, di ba? Makikita niyo po doon lahat ng mga ginagawa namin, mga activities namin. And you will learn more na talagang legit po ito at hindi scam. Kami nang i-scam. Everything is being shown there. Our family, our friends, lahat po. So, yun. So just add us on Facebook if you don't want to enter your name or email address. And then from there, we can connect. Diba?
Yes.
Yeah. Tama.
Yes.
Ayun.
So thank you so much, everyone, and
Thank you,
have a
thank you.
blessed night.
Thank
Alright.
you. God bless you all.
Bye.